Asari Dokubo is preparing for something big for Tinubu and Nigeria army. Here is the reason why I say this. Please watch this video from beginning to end.
Then say practice made perfect.
Yes,
Yes. Now so then they carry start. In carve and come, we look am. Now you don't carve am, you don't spray am, you don't do am well. It just dey like real Kalashnikov.
yes, sir.
If the man or cousin Kalashnikov see am, you no go fit identify am whether na real or na fake. Eh?
Yes, sir.
Make you no carry, make people no carry this one go stand for road. It's practice made perfect. Now so both people they develop, they go first India. Advance more than this. Make it a reality, eh? So that your name will be heard everywhere. People they kill creativity. We would encourage creativity.
Yes,
Where that my artist guys? Oh guys, you can't go buy suit come. I don't see you again. Huh? Which one? If you want table, then go bring table for you. The first one when you walk, now table you gotta walk. You see how? Yeah, so a lot of people they talk. First and foremost, me, now I carry on here. I no be the only son of Justice Mel for Good. I no be the only son of Kilamaku. I had all this pedigree. But God provided the job platform that lifted me to where I am today. And if I see, say, somebody want carry job people, take a job people on a ride, destroy the job platform, I pointed it out that my friend, President Ahmed Bola Tinubu, had handed over the John Nation to Wike, an Igbo man, unfortunate Igbo man, is a Obabunwa. Me, I might quarrel with Igbo people, though, but I can never deny my Igbo affiliation, my Igbo roots. I have Igbo blood flowing in my vein. I can never deny it.
Is it not a bomb?
Yes, my father is there Bali, my Igbo man. The man was down for in chair, na Igbo man. When I talk, saying carry John nature to beat us, to humiliate us, people thought I was saying what was not right. You know, sometimes God moves in a mysterious way. When any kid look probably come out say, now we can now appoint him. Now we can, after God, now we can. Now me tell him to talk him.
No, sir.
We came from Bayelsa.
No, sir.
So how we can go leave River State, go Bayelsa, go appoint minister. Go nominate minister. If Tinubu no carry John Nation, say today this is job people say they're strong, make you go enslave them, make you go flog them to submission. It just said koro ibutu we. I pointed it out. I whispered it to people. You got a me. You are talking, it is still happening. My brother Sam, he waited there before we can come. So for him to continue there, now we can live and there. Now we can put on there. Then talk on for television, everybody here. We can himself is very callous and loquacious. In command, say anybody where they fight the presidency, anybody where they fight them, they fight the presidency.
Yeah, and day before now, when you start the fighting.
So it's a confirmation of what I have said before. Clear confirmation. This man is a very big burden on President Bola Tinubu. But everybody has a choice. I have my own choice. He has his own choice. Make people come bow, kiss wicked ass. Make people come bow, kiss wicked leg. We don't go kiss Buhari leg. Buhari see us, knew our capacity, and came. It's our capacity. Even when we're in opposition, he saw us. When Bola Tinubu came out for president and I was supporting Bola Tinubu as a friend, as a brother, as somebody who has stood with me, who had helped me, a lot of people called me and warned me. They said, you are putting your food online. You are putting your livelihood online. You are putting your businesses online. And what I told them, I said, yesterday I did not have. If I don't have today, so be it. Even my closest people, including my wives, told me, as the thing is going, Tinubu will not win the election. If Tinubu did not win the election and the Atiku won and they will come after you. And I asked them the question. At the time that I was in the dungeon, I was inside the hole, I was buried alive. When a passenger buried me alive, where were these people? Tinubu was with me. He was with me. And I don't give a damn. Prophecies. I'm going to write a book. If I take the text messages sent to me, the chat messages sent to me alone is enough to write a book. I saved most of them. Prophecies. Prophecies. Hey, they will arrest Tinubu, the military will take over. I said, oh yeah now. We will see. I did not consult him. I did not talk to him. He did not send me anywhere and mobilize you people. No, now we go to Abuja.
Yes, sir.
And mobilize you people to Abuja. It shocked the whole security infrastructure of Nigeria because nobody knew when we arrived at Abuja. Nobody. It was a secret kept to our heart. We appeared in court. That was the day obedience ended at the court, at the tribunal, at the appeal court, and at the Supreme Court. So people say, why will you talk? Why will I surrender everything that I own for somebody who does not care for me? Everything that has brought me to where I am. It was my fight, my imprisonment. And Allah may say imprisonment. When crude oil production was reduced to 700,000 a barrel and below. My suffering. And Allah may say suffering that made Yaradua to bring Niger Delta Ministry. My brother has not been a minister. My friend has not been a minister. I have never had any contract for Niger Delta Ministry. But after suffering 22 months, 11 days on the ground and in other detention centers, all that will be removed by somebody who is supposed to have been in the trenches with us, without consultation, with so much disdain for our people. So much disdain for our people, as if we don't matter. We have federal mind. When you come out, we are going to kill you. When a leader starts to have that sort of mentality that he will kill the citizens of his country if they oppose the decision, then there's something to be afraid of. And there's a compelling reason somewhere. If not, how can you do that without town hall meeting? Did we tell you that we don't want the Niger Delta Ministry? Did we tell you that? And a lot of people have been calling me, you know what? That what Tinubu did not give me, if he takes it, if he removes it, I will die. Who knows tomorrow? No condition is oneness. No condition is oneness. Who knows tomorrow? If I did not talk today, do I know whether I will die the next minute? Do I know whether the people who have arrayed against us will die the next moment?
Yes, they will die.
I know. Or they will fall out of power.
And they will.
Who knows? Who knows? So they will mark it against my name that when it happened, he did not talk. What of the people who fought because I was underground and died? So I will abandon them. When some of the dividends they fought for is going. People are there. Today is Niger Delta Ministry. Tomorrow it will be the mercy program. Because now jealousy, say job people do they benefit for the oil. It just produce 100% of the oil in Nigeria. Every drop of oil in Nigeria is your oil. Why? Because every drop of oil must pass through your land before you can sell it out. You go fly the oil come out.
No.
Every drop of oil pass through Ijola, apart from the one we produce. The territorial water is Ijo territorial water. Without Ijo, you will not have any territorial water. We don't matter. We are nobody. You take decision after thousands of people have sacrificed their life, and you think that you will do that, and then nobody will talk. That traitor is a boom 1 week. He's here now. He can sell anything. He can sell anything. But there's a day of reckoning. There is a day of reckoning. He can sell anything. He can trade anything. Look at the man talking. That Atiku has been. Did Atiku not defeat you? All that defeat Atiku, you Atiku defeat you. The man didn't get mental problem. When Atiku talks, he didn't get mental problem. Somebody who Atiku flog you. If they open your mouth, talk, say them reject Atiku. I know the Atiku spokesman. What we're saying is that you can't take the people on a ride. I don't forget anybody who does good to me. If you do good to me, I will stand with you to the end. I don't bother people who do good to me. They come and give me something. My needs are very small. Well, Ijo people have told you whether you want to. We heard they are going to give judgment to that the Supreme Court. Okay. Continue giving those evil judgments. For every action, there is an opposite and equal reaction.
Yes,
It's a natural law.
Newton law.
It's a natural law. For every action, there be an opposite and equal reaction. The people, the job people, we know they look for trouble. Like I said, we are gentlemen of it, no? We can jump into the water and catch from place. And Suku cannot suku our hand. Yes. That is what we are. We are always gentle. No be so?
Na so.
We are always gentle. No be so?
Na so.
Everything that is wrong. Some people don't call me. Why are you calling Yoruba people inside? And I said, if something happen once, happen twice, you know go call out the people who do it. Yes. Somebody come your house, come thief. The first day, na mistake. Second one, come thief, na mistake. He come thief third time. He say, you know go call out. Say, na mistake. He be fool. You be mumu man. You are a mumu man. Wetin dey fear you wey you no go call am? Obasanjo took over power. Dinka do coup, he failed. Obasanjo took over power. No, I think come power. Now we declare war again. Petroleum Act, Land Use Act, Petroleum Act, Land Use Act. Confiscate our land, confiscate our resources. No be Yoruba man it be.
Na Yoruba man.
Wetin the Yoruba people talk. Income. In create Niger Delta. We know they exist. Unpatek, oil producing areas. Our struggle where we dey struggle wey come. He say wetin I go do, I go set up Igbos against them. And carry Imo and Abia, put inside Niger Delta. Carry Cross River, put inside Niger Delta. These are not Niger Delta people. Carry Edo, put inside Niger Delta. They are not Niger Delta people. At most, Niger Delta would be Bayelsa, Rivers, and Delta State. At most. Because the original Niger Delta now part of Rivers and Bayelsa. Part of Rivers, Bayelsa, and Delta. Even poles, many parts of Rivers State, we are not in Niger Delta. But we are in the same stage. You go bring Ondo, Edo, across River, Abia, Akwa Ibom. If you are talking of south, southeast, okay. You do that one. Carry the whole country, come inside, put for the NDDC, dilute them, make them contract money. Made a nonsense of it. Carry the NDDC, put under the office of Secretary to Government. People will be bringing letter here to come. NDDC, MDs, and chairmen cannot talk. Oyema. Ugochukwu was the first chairman of NDDC. From there, he go burn down Modi. Kill people for it. No be Yoruba man in be.
Na Yoruba man.
Today, I'm a Bola Tinubu. We be our friend. We will take all the risk. We do everything. Come. What do you do? The first thing you do now, somebody will say, make thunder fire a job people. Tell the job people into and carry John Nation and over to her. Say go and chastise them. Go and humiliate them. If they do nonsense, we will send army to come and kill them. If they don't remember OT, we just give them Egbematoro 1 and 2. Let them carry a helicopter, fly over Asari house. Let them come kill Asari. Where this thing. Where they work with us. How can you explain that? That people you are standing side by side with, fighting, will bring their gun against you when you have not offended them. Not be here with it. National Security Advisor don't talk say na army they sell gun, na military they sell gun. Give people. Oh, because na me no talker. It's worse than that. They come here, take it, job people livelihood. We cannot go to the water and fish. They are polluting and committing environmental genocide, economic genocide against us. Now then they pay all the fire people. All the people wey dey do fire, now then give them money to go do port. When they do, then share am 90-10. Some even worse. After they don't collect the money, they will come carry plane. They do drama. How you go carry plane, go bomb civilian community? Now the whole community people, collective judgment. Now the whole community they do bunkering.
No.
Now they don't talk with their mouth. Well, then they sell gun. Me, I don't know. The national security advisor don't talk. Say then they sell gun. If people where they sell gun, I gun them sell. Then they worse than devil. So the people where they starve people to death. They kill people. Different diseases that appear for our land. Which devil wear them bad pass? Another devil they?
No.
Because somebody talk and say, "Na say it dey happen." You say if you no kill and you no go gree. Then he dey work with you. Then your friend na president. Then they come fly helicopter for here, they checking out. Children they cry. People are traumatized. And you say, when you say, these helicopters that came, they are not even marked helicopters. You say, we are going to stand. We are going to eliminate him. They made them not do coup so they can kill anybody. As long as you are afraid of coup, as long as they don't do coup, they can go and kill any citizen. They can destroy any community. Meanwhile, people they die every day. For Anambra, for Imo. You don't feel protect them. So why is it they keep the Nnamdi Kanu for prison? For because of one man. Innocent people are dying. People went to the market. Their children are expecting them that they will come back home and bring food. And in the evening, they did not return. Their aged parents are waiting for them. And in the evening, they did not return. So somebody who says that should not talk. Because they have to hear the truth. The truth can be bitter. Hey, people say, in talk say, if Tinubu fail, hold me responsible. Tinubu fail, hold me responsible. Yes, I said it. Because the Tinubu I knew, I had so much confidence in him. But Tinubu I'm seeing today, monkey say when he carry him pikin for back, they go in no know wetin him pikin collect. So make nobody hold him responsible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Monkey say when he carry him pikin for back, they go. He no know wetin him pikin carry and collect for back. Say make nobody hold him
Responsible.
yes.
Listen,
Because na the one wey happen for in front.
I ain't gonna know.
Now you know.
Yes.
It has taught me a very big lesson. That sometimes trust is very expensive. The Tinubu I knew, and I took all the bullets, emptied my account for, and said, hold me responsible. Tinubu becoming president, all of you, I mean, the powder I pour for my body that night, the happiness, my aunties them, the happiness for this village, the people who no vote us, they don't even come out. We kill cows. The joy what I get. I pour powder for my body like a newborn baby. I don't born newborn baby. Midnight. Wait for the result until the result come out. Yes, for my life. I never feel it like that. Maybe he's not aware. It was a battle. See church people, they pray. Make you know win. You are relations. My relations where they give something for my front. Stand, they vote for me. people go phone me. I say, first, I be Muslim, or I be Christian, or I son, I don't take me, I be Muslim now. Leave me, make I vote my Muslim first. Now you go carry your Christian, go impose on me. No, go and vote your man. I vote my man. I convince the majority of these community people to vote for Tinubu. Because of the work I am doing. All of you are present here. You registered there and you voted there. Nobody 1 year. As they talk, nobody 1 year. Nobody 1 year Tinubu name. I have Yoruba pastors when they close with me. One of them called me a few days ago and said, Alaji, how far with your man now? We have now become laughing stock. How far with your man? Eh? If you ride on the back of a tiger, this way it's what? You end up in the jaws of the tiger. That's what my pastor friend, a Yoruba man, called me and told me. And I told him, your prayers will never be answered. Things. Before I know they do birthday. Now people say do birthday. I know they do all those things. I make on my birthday, say now cloth too old wear and I wear. Then so new clothes, I don't wear them. I know they celebrating. The day where I present myself as a Jabal to the whole of Calabar people. My clothes we don't pass 150 years now I wear. My friends, them, everybody so new clothes full everywhere. I don't agree wear. New dawn, new this. I don't agree wear. I don't celebrate things. I know they drink, I know they smoke. I know they do party. I know even Sabi Dan, even the Jordan, I know Sabia. I don't celebrate it. But Tinubu matter, I celebrate until daybreak. All of us are there. We put music, kill cow that night. Till daybreak. The next day, we bow gele from different communities. Yes. Come here. The next day, they bow gele from different communities come here and come greet us. What we get is for him to hand over us to Wike, make we become slaves. The job people know they make mouth too much. We are very creative. We work. We are very, very extremely creative. We have so much talent and so much evening power. When they carry their own, when I did Cotonou, one woman, she said, she go kill me. I rent a house for my student from university. She said she go kill me. Hey, this one. Everybody fear and now I can't go meet her. I said, you. She said go kill me. Tell me I'll be a good hour. Now from the ocean I come. That's a small medicine they do here. By the time you go confront me, I challenge you. My staff, they will go with me. Everybody, if you are the woman, she know they wear cloth. Now, rapper, white rapper, she can't tie that. My leg, she can't walk out. She be millionaire. I go out, I children there. I say, if you challenge me, you will die.
How come we never? How come?
The principal in there, if you call her answer. I say, if you challenge me, she said, even the president of Benin, no, if you talk to her like this, I say, I know the president too. I did tell you, say, if you try her, you go die. I go out. 3 days after, Nachi come look for.
Yeah, my people, do not forget say still there for Pump Info News. They share the video as you dey read. Remember say what goes around also turns around. You don't read for Asari, Dokubo and Tinubu now. Tinubu no give Asari, Dokubo in share now bring all those things to come outside. I bet drop your own opinion for this comment section and share the video as you dey hot.